Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. You know what you got to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it, and it goes a long way. Today, I am doing a video on some shoes. They're a little delayed because I copped them off of the Trade Block app. I was able to pull a trade off for these off the Trade Block app. If you are on there, follow me. I'm going to leave a picture of my profile on there. I'm International O on Trade Block. If you want to follow. Also, if you haven't downloaded the app, man, try it out. Some people, you know, they say, well, man, I can't pull off a trade. Some can, some can't. I've pulled off 8 trades so far. So I've fared pretty well in what I want. Sometimes you may pull off a trade that's unfavorable for you, but if it's something, I mean, it looks unfavorable to others, but if it's a shoe you really want, sometimes you can go without one to get the other. And that's what I did in some cases. Not the case with this shoe though. This shoe had to have it. You can see the box and you saw the description, the title of this shoe. Yes. This is the Nike Dunk Low Pro QS FTC, which is a brand in Japan by the owner named Kent. I forgot his last name. I'm so sorry. But yes, the shoe was created with the aesthetics from Japan's bathhouses that goes back hundreds of years in Japan. So that was the aesthetics that they used for this shoe. You see that box, so you know what type of time it is. Let's get this baby open. Yes, as you can see that. And as you can see here on the tongue, it has FTC. Then here on the inside, it's more of a plush material here on the inside of the shoe. Then it has like the icy sole, but it's not a clear sole. It's like a blue icy blue sole. You guys can see that. Honestly, some shoes I don't go look at YouTube reviews for to see how they look, and that's you know, a fault to mine. I did not do that with this shoe. I was actually under the assumption that this whole shoe was leather. Wasn't aware that this was suede. I wouldn't say it's a deal breaker, but I mean, it's a dope shoe. It's really a dope shoe. But I don't know. I think I would have liked it maybe suede. And then the squares. I did see the squares on here. I don't know. Sometimes I see a shoe and I'm like, man, it's dope. And then you get it in hand and it's not what it's cracked up to be to you. It's not a horrible shoe or ugly shoe by no means. Because some people say this is better than some other releases. So it's a nice shoe. But I don't know. I have to think about it. I have to let it sit for a minute and think about it. Or see how it looks on feet. I might do it on feet and see how it looks. But yeah, man, it's a nice shoe though. It is really a nice shoe. So don't you know, get me wrong like, oh man, this shoe crap. No, it's a dope shoe. It really is a dope shoe. I guess with me, it was just like when I got it and once I opened it, I didn't get that wow factor when I opened it out of the box like I thought I would. Then also on the inside, it's like a plush material here on the inside of the shoe. But the colors are beautiful. And then it comes with a blue set of laces. So don't get me wrong, the colors on this shoe they are beautiful. They're beautiful colors on this shoe. Like I'm not dissing it. I'm not saying I don't like the shoe. I just wasn't blown away like I thought I was when I saw the pictures. But this is a dope shoe. Nothing wrong with the shoe at all. I like the materials on it though. Like I said, the leather is cool, but one thing I would say, I like that it's that tough looking leather. It's not the smooth the suede. I'm sorry. It's not that smooth, you know, just synthetic nubuck looking. It's that nice, rugged nubuck material you get on here. I like that on a shoe, so I will say that. So like I said, I'm gonna sit on it. I probably will end up keeping them. I'm gonna sit on it and think about it, but it's a dope shoe. I know some people say, man, what are you doing? That's a dope shoe. What is there to think about? Just some shoes, you know, some shoes you see and you get caught in that hype and then you get it and it's like, okay, it's not bad, but you know, but overall, I can't complain. It's a nice shoe. It's a nice shoe. I traded for it. Traded some fire red 4s for it. So yeah, that's pretty much that, man. I am going to go to the on feet with these, and I like that it has this cushion back here so it supports the heel of your foot. There's a cushion in here. So yeah, we're going to go to the feet with these, and you guys let me know what you think about it. Let's get to it.
hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah. Holy Spirit lit, you can feel it too, yeah. Made some tickets off, doing what I do, yeah. Glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah. Glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah. Bought my mama a house, then got her a coupe, yeah. Paid off all her debts, now she
Let the street say amen.
Yeah. Glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah.
Blessed and highly favored, moving these haters 50 feet while they plotting and scheming, seeing this money in my reach. I don't bend, I don't break, I ain't fold, I ain't fake. I keep my head